Hello friends, welcome to Be Learning Club. In this tutorial, we are going to make what? We are going to make a feedback form. So just type Django admin start project, and name of the project is project and dot. Now Django admin start app, and name of the application is app. This is in same directory. You can see. Open it with any code editor, and what I use the VS Code editor. And now go to the settings.url and just copy it and paste it here, and remove this block, and here you just type app.url app.url failed to save urls.py content file in news. Okay, just ignore it. And now go to app here, just go to app here, just create url.py, and this is this name urls, you can see, and you all know these things. Just copy it and paste it here, friends, and just go to settings, install the app application. So what is the name of application is app, and just save it, and just go to the views.py here, just type def index and just pass request, and just type return render, return render, and just type the request. Every http need request, so just type request, and template name is index.html, index.html, and now save it and go to urls.py, and here just import the path and remove all of these things, and just remove these, and here just type here from dot import views, just here type views dot index, and name of the URL namespace is index. Go to app here, just type create a folder name templates, and inside templates just type index.html. You all know this thing. Just go to bootstrap and go to the bootstrap and get started with docs, and just copy this and paste it here, and obviously PLA class text center, text center, and text success, and you can see, just run the server now. Manage.py run server. Okay, so ignore the migration and run the server. Here just 127 and completely work, friends. And yeah, what happened, man? URLs include and settings.py allowed host to installed apps. Okay, so include and go to the urls.py path index.view and go to the views, return request index.html, and here templates templates, and index.html. Everything is fine, man. Or just save this URL. Compare. What happened here? Okay, so just anyway save it, and now run it, and now Okay, you can see the hello world, and you can design it with Bootstrap. Just go to the nav at first. I love nav bar, and okay, just copy any nav bar what you want. So just scroll down and select a stylish nav bar. Here you can select this any nav bar. Okay, I just type this and copy this and paste it here. Okay, just save it and just you can see this thing. And if you want to dark mode or any mode, you can see also here. This is BG dark and the second is BG primary. This is background color is primary. You can change it to success, and actually this is the dark theme. And copy this and just paste it in here after the class, and here just type BG dark and just yeah, it's work. Hello world. So now you have to create a button. So here bootstrap button, collapse button. I don't need any collapse button. I just need a button here. So you can see the button. So just copy any button. I copy this button, and after h1 tag, mm, so here just dot container. You already know about the CSS property of bootstrap, so just paste it here, large button, and here just type feedback form. And now what you can see, yeah, feedback form. So here it says remove the s, and I think just remove this and convert it to anchor tag, type button and class this. Okay, so now and every anchor tag need hyperreference at first hashtag. So yeah, it's feedback form. It's absolutely work. Now when you click this uh, feedback form, just redirect to any other URL. That name is path, and this is the feed feedback slash, and the function name is what we just have to create a function feedback feedback.html, and just go to templates here feedback.html feedback.html. Okay, check the spelling. Okay, so now just go to index, copy all of these things. You can just extend the index.html into the feedback.html. So I just copy this thing. You all know about how to extend any HTML in Django. So this is the feedback form.html. So just a feedback form, and yeah, this is the button actually. Just leave it and just run it. Okay, so what you have to do now, just go to the views.py and you can see the feedback and go to URL. So here just type views, name of the function views dot feedback, and name of the URL is what I just want to give you a name feedback, FWD feed, yes, feedback, and yeah, just save it, and now it's working absolutely. Okay, now is also hashtag. Why? Because you have to add the hyperreference. So if you use here the app name is if you use here the app underscore name, then you have to type the app name here also. But I don't use the app name, so I don't type the app name here. Otherwise, you have to type the app name also. So here just only use the namespace. So here just type URL, and if you used here the app name, then just type here app slash name of the URL, and what is the name of the URL is feedback. I don't use the app name, so just I remove this app. This is the application name and only feedback. And now go to here and just refresh it. Yeah, this is the feedback form, you can see. So just go to Bootstrap and just create a form here and just search a form. Where is the form, man? Form control. It is a form. Is it a form? Okay, let's see. We need the input field also. Input group. Yeah, we need this. We need form actually. We can use it. Okay, so just copy it and paste it, and here just remove this and paste it and just save it. And form, obviously action is dot, and method is what, post. And obviously Django needs CSRF token for post method, CSRF underscore token. So just go to and refresh it. Feedback form, nothing. Oh, sorry, I changed it indexed. It's my fault. Just undo all of these things and go to feedback and remove this and just paste it here and type action dot and method post. Save it, run the server, refresh it. You can see the email address and password. Okay, so what need in any feedback from email address, name, and the feedback. So these three things. You can also use ample number of input tag. So here I remove this password field, and also I remove the checkbox. I only use this email. So here at first for not email. So at first just type a name, and this is the input tag, and type not email. This is not email. Hmm. This is text, and you can also remove this thing. So I just remove this, and now I'll just secondly here I use the email address. So after that here use the email and remove this, and you can see here, yeah, email address, name, and third, mm, just remove it and change it to feedback. Feedback, and type obviously text. And yeah, now the very important thing is the name tag. Name tag for feedback is what? I just do the name feedback is feedback. And name tag for the email is what? Email. So name tag is email, and name tag for the name is obviously name. So the name tag, name input name equal name, it is for the name field, and then input name equal email, this is for the email field, and just okay, just leave it. And then feedback and name of the input is feedback. Just remove it and so, and save it. Let's see, it's have been created. So now go to the models.py. Here just type class and feedback, feed feedback, and models dot model, inherit from models dot model. And now just type here what. At first you have to type the name equal what, models dot character field, max length is 100, name equal model dot email field, and not this is not name, this is email. And now feedback equal model dot feedback, models dot text field. Okay, so you can return any str function like def str, and I just remove this, I don't. And now go to admin. You all know about this. At first type from dot models import what feedback form, and now just admin dot site dot register and register the model feedback. Okay, now go to views.py. Here just type if request dot method, and what is the method? method, method, and if request dot method equal post, if request also you can just go to Google and you can search also request post method in Django, and you can see all of this thing here. I go to Stack Overflow if you don't know about this thing. So you can see the request.post.get. This is another way also, and also you can use request.post, and this is the name field actually, and you can see here what is the name field, and you can see the name field is this is the name. And now just back and you can see anything. You can see this request.method method and equal post obviously. So just go to views.py and here just type request.method and post. If request.method is post, and our method is what, our method is post also, not get. So just go to Google, and now at first name, we need name, request dot post and request dot post, and what is the name field of the name? It is name, views. Okay, so just copy, paste, paste, then email, and then feedback, and just change the name email, and now here feedback. Okay, so just invited comma here, inverted comma here. So now just I want to at first print. I just want to check it's actually working or not. If string and just print the name is name email email and just leave the feedback at first and go to index and go to feedback. Here you can see this input field, and now I just input add a property here required, and also here just change required, and also here required. Save it and now run it. It's absolutely fine. Prints just name whatever email address. I think here at just what. Okay, so CSRF token missing. Why CSRF token missing? And you can search as CSRF if you absolutely beginner. So just CSRF token and you can see what is CSRF token. So you can go to Stack Overflow and you can get a lot of answer. So basically when you using the post method, you need the CSRF token. So just you can hear the all of the articles need for the CSRF token, but I can't find. Uh, yeah, you can see this. This is the CSRF token, and now go to feedback. I think I add CSRF token. Oh no. I forgot it. So now every post method in Django needs the CSRF token. Remember this, friend, if you are absolutely beginner. So this video is for only for beginners because this is a very simple video in Django. And now just run it again. And yeah, just give any name and just give an email address and feedback. Okay, just check it. Yeah, absolutely working. So now go to views and here just create at first you have to import the model from dot models, not migration, from dot model import feedback, and here obj object equal feedback. This is the model, and now uh, here you can use the property of the model, and this is the name field. You can copy this, and here name equal name. This green color name is this variable, and this variable store the information from the user, and this variable orange color name is from the model property. And now next model property is what? Email. So just type here email, and now type this email here email, and now type feedback, and feedback equal feedback. Obviously this orange color and email feedback name, these are filled on models, you can see. And now obj dot save and return http response. So just type here http response and give a h1 tag. At first you have to open the inverted comma and feed feedback has been submitted and close the H1 tag. Okay, so just remove this. Everything is fine now. Go to CMD and reload. At first you have to quit and now type Python. Obviously migration and migrate you have to do Python and h.py make migration and h.py migrate, and after that you have to create the super user. Python and h.py similarly you create super user is user create super user and admin name of the and email admin address gmail.com, password is admin, but this is too silly password, you don't use it. And now just run it. Server, okay, server has run. Just run the localhost, go to feedback form, name is what, clay, email address clay@gmail.com, and feedback, your website is outstanding, and please subscribe be learning CLEV club, always subscribe be learning club trends, always subscribe it, and just submit. Feedback has been submitted. So just go to admin and just type admin and go to login. You can see the feedback. Yeah, brain feedback object has been created. You can decorate it also this thing, but I don't use it. How can you decorate this thing? Just go to admin here. Just go to Google at first and decorate admin. If you don't know the decoration of admin, Django. Decorate admin Django, just search for it and go to any website. You can see the decoration of. Okay, this is the simple. And now I just show you how you can decorate, but you here is not actually. Okay, so I have another project, so I just show you how can you decorate. Just go to here. I think it's here. Add me. You can see the how can you do decoration. You have to type admin.register, then you have to type your model name, then you have to type the class, then your model name, and then you have to type the admin, then admin.model name. So I just copy this at first and just remove it and just remove this and type admin.register, and you have to type feedback, f double e t feedback. This is your model name, and here you have to type your model name, FWT feed feedback admin, and list display. Before list display, it is this class is inherit from admin dot model admin, and list display is what? Mm, at first name and then email. Both are the field on models.py. Okay, so just back it. You can see the name and email. You can do the decoration also. So friend, that's it for the video, and yeah, you can learn a lot, and don't forget to subscribe the channel Be Learning Club. In future Many tutorials are coming for beginner, for advanced. Some tutorials are for beginner. This tutorial is for absolutely beginner. This is the very basic skill in Django, and you can use the bootstrap also, because I don't want to do hard work. You, if you do, then you can use the CSS, JS, and you can create your own front end. So it's up to you. So see you in next video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And what is the name of my channel? The name is Be Learning Club. Thank you.